How to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone on iOS 26. Go to settings button, tap on it. Now scroll down to the base of this page, tap on apps. Then from the list of option here, locate and tap on contacts. You can as well use this button to search for contacts for easy access. Tap on contacts. Now that I've done that, go ahead and tap on this button, contacts accounts. Now here you have two options here. Go ahead and add accounts. From the list of options here, tap on Gmail, then tap on open in browser. Follow the on-screen process, guys, to log into this device, to your email address using this device. And I've tapped on that, it comes up like this. You can see it here, guys. Make sure that you synchronize your contacts in your Gmail account before you log into Gmail account on your iPhone. That's what, guys, you'll be able to see all your contacts on your Gmail account. Consider that in order to enable synchronized mail, you must log into Google and enable it with Google first. So tap on login. Because I've already logged into my Google, it's going to redirect me again to this place. Now tap on continue. Tap on continue. So that's all, guys. You've been able to import your contacts on other phone to your iPhone using your Gmail address. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.